Hi guys, Rani Panga Pata, Rani Panga waterfall. It is in Kothagor block and on the way to Darimari. So there is a cave and this is the waterfall. I'll walk around and I'll try to show you how the beauty is. Visit this location. Water is chill, but anyway, if you like to take bath, you can take bath. This is not a big deal. Please come with your families and have a good adventure here. These caves are a bit scary, but a good and ideal place for adventure with your family members and everyone. You can come here. So I'm glad that I have come to witness this one. This is rare visited location. Now slowly and gradually the tourists are coming from different location, and I am here to promote this location and to invite. Usually when you come to Daringbadi or some other location, you are disappointed because they're not having good infrastructure. Kandhamahal district is all about the hills, the valleys and the mountain and the waterfall like this. So when you expect something good from Daringbadi, if that is not meeting, then this is the point. So especially an invitation to all the bikers, those who are coming from other location to Kandhamahal district. This is the ideal location for bikers. They can come with a group, they can stay overnight here if they are having their own camping tools such as tent, sleeping bag, mat. If that is there, then you can have full on enjoy here. So with the family also, you come by long drive, spend, have a picnic, and you can happily return from this location. So I'll tell you the negative about this side. There are not up to the mark, especially the infrastructure. But the positive side is natural beauty. There are no good roads constructed to reach this location. Again, you see the natural beauty while you're driving or traveling. So, being a son of soil from this Kandhamahal, this is my invitation, and I appeal the traveler, the tourist to come to this location, enjoy and go back safely. Thank you. Hoping to meet you next video. Stay blessed. Thank you. Bye.